This type of images are currently trending on Instagram. So in this video we can see how to create it. For that, open Google and search Gemini AI. After that, open this Google Gemini official website. Then click on plus icon here. After that, click on upload files option. After that, click on photos and videos, and you need to upload one image from the gallery. If you are not comfortable to add photos to AI, skip the step or video, that's okay. If you are okay with it, add one photo, and you need to paste the prompt like this. I will provide this prompt in description. After that, send the request. Then it will take around 1 minute to generate your request. So after that, click on that photo and click on save to download the image. That's it. In this way we can create trending images in Gemini AI. Thank you.